There has been lots of speculation about the DJI Mini 5 Pro. All the specs, the price, and the first expected release date have surfaced, including some hands-on images and animations from the DJI Fly app. So we will break down all the reliable leaks in this video. Let's get right into it, starting from the camera specs. According to Drone XL's article, which also shows the box of the drone with all the details, the Mini 5 Pro will feature a 1-inch sensor as rumored, along with a redesigned gimbal that will allow 225 degrees of tilt. The camera will be capable of recording in 4K at 120 frames per second, while allowing lossless zoom up to 48 millimeters of focal length. While it isn't a proper optical zoom lens, and it isn't as capable as the Air 3S medium telelens, for example, it's still nice it will be able to zoom in without losing detail. Moving on with the new hardware, the Mini 5 Pro will feature LiDAR sensors up front, that paired with the regular optical sensors, make a 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system that will still work in low-light conditions. In the specs sheet, it's highlighted how active tracking is more capable even for more activities like running or cycling. Finally, the last thing we can see on the box is the flight time. 36 minutes with the lightweight battery. We can expect roughly 10 minutes more with the Plus battery, which will, however, exceed the 249 grams weight. We also know that the drone will feature a side button that will allow to use it without the controller, just like the Neo or the Flip. There are also new propeller guards, where the propeller itself is caged under the plastic grills. They also feature a new quick-release mounting system like the bigger DJI drones. Finally, let's move on to the price and the release date. According to Mauro Tandoi, the price for the Fly More combo with RC2 will be €1,129. We can expect a price ranging between €900 and €950 for the standard combo. And the rumored release date, according to Jasper Ellens, is September 16th. Make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update on actual and non-clickbait drone and photography leaks, and drop a like if this video was helpful.